Unitree G1 Bionic Agile upgrade. I ain't gonna lie. I honestly wanted to see where robotics was. Just looked like a good video. Shout out to Bionic and some of these other people in this tech space leading for this robotics RPA type of world. Right? I'm not gonna play with the music because there's obviously music in the background. The walking looks dope. Like you feel me? If you know what's crazy, humans have shape. So if and the way that humans is going with silicone bodies and shit like that, I ain't gonna lie to you, the community, the LGBTQ community we gonna have a harder time figuring them out than these motherfuckers. No, we gonna have a hard time figuring these motherfuckers out than the LGBTQ. I ain't gonna cap, bro. Cause that all them robots look the same, walk the same, but they could be put on with some fucking fake skin and some fake booty or fake human pecs, right? Or biceps or some shit, right? And boom, that's Jake from State Farm now. Like, but he's walking good. Or he could jog, but he look a little stiff. You see, when they're running, we do high knees. You feel me? Look, they got to be higher, but he probably can't raise his knees to that extent, which is gonna limit. I don't know if it's gonna limit the speed because yeah, it doesn't have what you call it. You see, I knew it was gonna fall at some point because it doesn't have like human balance systems going for it right now. Like if I'm running up, I'm leaning forward still to kind of like, keep that plane going to make sure like energy being matched, and if I'm running down, I'm kind of like leaning back to kind of like brace my fall, right? Because even at the end of it, he's hitching a little bit. Look, he hitches right here. You see, it comes down like a little quicker than usual. Just people right here, right here. Maybe like it just comes down to the quicker step. He trips right here, and I'm not blaming him. He might have been thinking he's coming down on an incline, and you feel me? And like got a wrong step in his foot in. The side step one is a good one. Walking is pretty good. It just looks a little. You feel me? Look at him compared to the human. It's just a little stiff. Nothing wrong with it. It's just like a little stiff. Like the human in the blue, kind of running with an easier pace. It looked like he's running, but trying. You know when someone with no booty trying to show like they got a booty. All the fellas that's looking behind her, and they just walking mad hard. Hmm. Like you could see them walk and try to like show what they don't got type shit. That's what this robot doing. Like he running though. Like it looked like he trying to run, but show like he really know how to run. Like nigga, you don't know how to move your left or right feet. Come on, now. You don't know how to do that good. Cause look at the kid in the back. He's running. Like that kid in the back is he had a 4.5. Get that boy in the Olympics. Hmm. You're already at the end of the screen. Getting on that bike. You feel me? Getting on a bike. But it's not a bad honestly, it's not bad. It's just a lot of improvement that could be done when it comes to what it's capable of doing type shit. Features vary by models. We greatly appreciate. Please refrain. Wait, users refrain any dangerous modifications. I thought they were about to say something about copyright. I was about to say, yo, nigga, what? Let's see. This is 2 days ago. This is a humanoid. Oh, okay. So this is the open source, I guess. The open source is supposed to be better. This is clearly still music centric. See, the one thing I know is that the open source models, no, I said the open source models, small blunder. The simulations, they move better in terms of uh, overall mechanics. They just move better. So when the move is going on in the simulation, it may not always correlate to what's going on in real life. I ain't gonna lie to you. Like they may not be able. to translate all of that movement properly. So they need a training simulation that works. Yeah. But overall, I think the product in itself is great. Would love to see how it integrates into the society. But like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what y'all think.